Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Hadi and you are watching Advanced Map and Navigation System in Unreal Engine. If you have ever wanted to build a professional map system like Minimap, Big Map, Point of Interest, Fast Travel System, Markers, Compass, all using blueprints, then this playlist is for you. In this free YouTube course, we will build a complete map and navigation system from scratch. You will learn how to render map using scene capture, minimap and big map logic, point of interest system, static and dynamic ability, click to navigate marker, fast travel with loading screen, AI and player interaction with the map, and how to reuse this system in any project. Now here is the best part, all tutorial video are 100% free on YouTube, but if you want the full Unreal Engine project, clean organized blueprints, ready to use map system, use it in your own game or prototypes, you can get the full project access on my Patreon. If this course help you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump into the course and start building this system together.